So if you would like to use a high chair for a toddler during your stay at Hazley, we can provide one. Please request one when you place your booking, and we'll make sure that it's all set up and out ready for you. So you won't need to build it yourself or have it built. But just in case you want to dismantle it yourself and put it back together, we'll show you very quickly how to do that. It's very, very simple. So you'll see that the high chair comes with 3 different parts. You've got the seat first of all, you've got the table that slots onto it, and obviously the legs that hold it up. So first of all, the first thing to do is to put the legs onto the seat. So if you turn it upside down, and obviously the leg, you'll see the white knob at the bottom, that's obviously what goes onto the floor, so you're attaching it from the other end. You'll notice that there is a small hole in the side of the chair, and you'll also notice that at the end of the pole there's a little button that depresses in and out, and all that you do is you push that button in and then slot it into the chair, depressing the button as you go, and then wait until it clicks into place. So that's now secure onto the chair. So then repeat that for the other 3 legs. So depress the button, slide it into the hole, wait for the click, repeat again for the other legs. And then once you've done that, it will securely stand up. Now it's at this point that you'll need to put your child into the chair, and you'll notice that there's a safety strap here. So if you want to adjust the strap to fit the child, then you adjust it from underneath, and you'll see that each strap has an adjustable strap that you can tighten up to get them securely into the chair. So just adjust that as needed. Once you've got the child inside the chair, you can then slot the tabletop into the chair. So you'll notice that at the top of the table you've got 2 tiny little flaps here that insert into these 2 holes next to the seat. So all you do is you put it onto an angle. So about a 45-degree angle is about right. Make sure that the flaps are inside, and then you just click it into place like that. Now, as soon as you want to remove that again, the way to do that is to hold the seat down and simply pull upwards, and that will come off like that. The important thing to mention is that while the child is in the chair, please don't pick up the chair or attempt to move it around while the child's in the chair. Take the table off first and then move the child instead of doing it while the child's in there. Once you've finished using the chair, you can give it a quick wipe down so that it's nice and clean. Just use soap and water to do that. And then when you're ready to dismantle the chair, it's very easy to do so. All you do is depress these buttons. So you would push and turn and then pull down, and then repeat that for all the other legs, and you'll completely dismantle it. Thank you.